A woman holding a baby? What Chinese character do you think this represents? Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jun. I'm so glad to have all of you guys back. The character I'm going to share with you guys today is very beautiful. It's called 好 in Chinese. 好 it means good in English. But this character is actually made of two characters. The left one is called 女 with the third tone. 女, it means woman. And the right one is called 子, still with the third tone. 子, it means child. But when 女 and 子 come together, it actually means 好. Why? Because in 甲骨文, the earliest 好 isn't just about good. It means a mom and a baby. In Shang Dynasty, motherhood represents strength. That's 好. For example, the first famous female general from Shang Dynasty, her name is called Fu Hao. She had Hao in her name, probably because she was a warrior and a mom. So I think for Chinese people, they probably thought that you have to be as strong as a mom to become a warrior. Oh, it makes me want to cry. Now in modern Chinese, 好 means good. For example, 你好, literally it means you're good, but it's usually translated as hello in English. And we also use it as an adverb in modern Chinese. It means so, it means very. For example, 我好忙. 我, it means I, it means me. 好, it means very, it means so. 忙, it means busy. 我好忙. 我好忙. 冷, it means cold. 冷 好冷 so cold. 看 it means look, it means see. 好看 it means good looking. 吃 it means eat. 好吃 it means delicious. 听 it means hear. 好听 it means nice to hear. Oh, I don't like it, it's too salty. 好咸 好甜 means sweet. 好甜 so sweet. 好甜 好热 it means hot. 好热 so hot, very hot. 好热 So now you know how isn't just about good, it's about love, about family, about Chinese history, and it's also about women power. Okay, so this is about today's video, and if you like it, you can drop a 好 in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!